how to get a drawstring into a garment. It could be a top, whatever. This here is a pair of pajamas, and the string has come out and we need to get it back in. Now this has just got a flat end on it, so if you were trying to poke that around or get it back in that narrow little part, you would be there for absolutely forever. But there is a little secret as to how to rethread that and get that back in there. You see there's the slot there and the stitch marks along here where that cord needs to head back in. The secret is, of course, here, a safety pin. And if you don't have a safety pin, you can also actually use a paper clip. What you do, you simply get onto the thing that you're going to thread through, poke it through like that, or even a couple of times, poke it through like that, so you've got a really good hold on it. Clip the safety pin over, and then when it's feeding, you can like squeeze to drive that forward. Grab hold of that. I'll show you. We're heading in this way. It goes in like that. It starts off, and you can actually press it through. This is something my mother taught me how to do. It's gone from something which would have been in the bin otherwise if you couldn't get the cord back into it. A little bit difficult to start. Get that in, there we go, it's started now. I've gone for the biggest safety pin I had because that can be a little bit easier to feed through. So then what you do is you gather it up, poke it through, and then hold it where you've gathered it, and then pull it through like that to the rest of where it is. Same, so get it to there, get to the back of the safety pin. With the pin in there, you can also feel where it's at. Poke, 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 poke. Whoops, out of screen, sorry. Poke, poke, poke. Hold it to the end like that, and then pull it through. Poking, poking, poking. Pull it through, and you can see very, very quickly I'm going to get it through to the end. Just be careful that the safety pin doesn't come undone. It felt like it wanted to just then. I don't think it did, because if it comes undone, then the point of the safety pin will stick in and you won't be able to. Oh, there it is there. It has come undone. It's out at the top. So you need to just go backwards. Get the safety pin back in that cover. There, I think that worked. Yep, there we go. And we're off again. So I've been working my way around and around, and I hope that I am, oh, here we go, just about to arrive. There it is. It's all a bit crunched up, but there. Pulling it out. Ow. Getting that out of there. Let's jam down into the back of that now. Like that. And there we have it. Pull that through. And unbunch all of that. And we've got our tie back here at the front. So instead of throwing these in the bin, we've got the cord back in them. And great result.